Ladies and gentlemen, greetings to all participants of the conference. Let me present to you the work of the topic analyzing the case of population disease at critical level of environmental pollution by emission, discharge and waste. The international team of authors Myroslava Bublyk, Vadym Humeniuk, Mikhalchuk, Ayhan Surek, and Oleksandr Filizhanko, United scientists from Ukraine and Turkey, namely from Lviv Polytechnic National University and Hacettepe University. This problem was investigated for the first time since 2014 for making managerial decisions in the green economy. This problem was highlighted in several professional articles and monographs and discussed in international conference. We have already considered determining the amount of socio-economic damage caused by social system population. The problem of economic assessment of the amount of compensation reimbursement of those social damage caused by the economic activity of enterprise received further development in the presented work, the results of which are briefly presented here. Pollution. It's the environmental occurs of its new ones, usually not characteristic physical factors, chemical or biological substances which harm natural ecosystem and to a person by spatial distribution, size, covering, territory pollution, share on local pollution, regional pollution, and global pollution. According to topical, activity of person leads to permanent pollution surrounding natural medium, atmosphere, and natural water and soils. We investigate pollution disease at a critical level of the pollution emission discharge and the waste environment worldwide. This justifies the relevance of the conducted research. Analysis of the latest research cover report of the official website of the well-bound World of Human Organization, research of foreign scientists, and research conducted by Ukrainian scientists united in Scientific Environmental Protection School in Lviv, Sumy, Odessa, and Kiev, etc. The World Human Organization report defined whole number ecological reasons and their communication with mortality, namely pollution surrounding environment, influence chemical substance, change climates and ultraviolet radiation, and more than 1,100 disease and injuries and other. Pollution's air you can charge 8.2 million case deaths include influence secondary tobacco smoke with response by cardiovascular disease, cancer, and chronic respiration decrease. On this slide, you can see the classification of factors which cause the disease according of each branch of industry, its emission and harmfulness. For example, the coal, meat, metal, and paperworking industry caused emission which contain particles of sand, rare rocks, and other mechanical impurities. They can violate natural ecosystem and sanitary regime or salt up the bottom ensure death rates of external pollution is equal 40% to cardiovascular disease, 40% to smoke, 11% to chronic obstacle disease, lung, 6% to cancer, lung, and 3% acute infection, lower respiration ways in children. We contribute the data set, the number of disease of the urban population and the air quality and its pollution in the city of the world. The first database contains information on the general disease level of the urban population. The second dataset describes the air quality and pollution caused by heavy environmental pollution in the wild cities. It is important that in the obtained dataset, we have the following composition of data: name of the city, region, country, air quality, water pollution, and pollution disease level. Data analysis. On this side, tree map, you can see some this different because a pie chart we can watch the quality of air of each the country's conditions for 2022. Having done analyze, we do conduction that the highest quality air in Switzerland and the smallest in France. Giving figure depicted a number of disease in different countries in the world in 2021. Analyzing the present figure, we can see the biggest number of disease in India, Chile, and Egypt, and the smallest indicator observed in Canada, Germany, and Italy. We work with the package map in our studio. Package map designed for the creation of the thematic maps with large flexibility. This package offers a flexible approach to basic layer and easy to use approach for the creation of thematic maps such as droplet and bubble maps. The number of disease in 2022 is depicted on the Europe map. The source of population disease in cities in industrial production, transport and provision of certain types of service relate to the collection and storage of waste and supply of electricity, gas, steam and air condition, etc. The system of indicator of assessing pollution disease does not directly concern the source of the formation by the rather the consequence. The consequence of human economic activity as the loss of the non-renewable natural resources, the significant deterioration of the state of renewable resource, the accumulation of hazardous waste, and as a result, the deterioration of quality of the labor source, even the loss. Conclusion. As a result, we in detail investigated quantity, disease, population, and critical level of pollution emission, discharge, and waste environment in the world. We did a detailed analysis of the chosen dataset and demonstrated result in the practical form of a map. Having spent analysis, we arrived conclusion in Romania most number former households and enterprises. Thank you for your attention.